What's happening, YouTube? I just wanted to do another quick little update video. I like doing these little shorts. Let me know what you guys think about these. They're technically not shorts because they're gonna go over a minute, but I think it's easy to just do quick update videos like this. Right now I'm working on getting the door panels installed, but we got most of it done. The tool changer's in. I gotta hook up the flood coolant. We got the operator console here. Everything's so far so good. So I got to get the tool changer plugged in and start calibrating all that and getting it aligned with the tools and everything and make sure it's changing tools properly. We should be back up and running hopefully later today. I do have a whole video on the process. My buddy is editing it right now. From the time the truck pulls up until the machine is on the stand, tons of footage on the whole process there. I'm working on doing video of the assembly process, but because I'm in kind of a hurry now to get this thing up and running, it's not going to be as in-depth as I had originally wanted it to be. But there's still a lot of footage on it. Mostly what I've done is get some stuff installed, and then I grab the camera and I kind of go over what I had done. I didn't have time to have it set up and like filming up the process and everything like that because I really just needed to get things up and running, because assembling this has a couple different things that I didn't do on that one, like the tool changer, the operator console, stuff like that. So there was a couple things I had to figure out as I was doing, and I needed to get it done as fast as I possibly can. So I should finally have it up and running today. This machine is back and plugged in. I ran the air lines finally up over the ceiling there and down the back wall. I got to do a couple more electrical things, but I'm going to be making parts again today on the 770 and hopefully doing the first test cuts and tool changes on the new 1100 MX. So stay tuned for the full-length video. I am going to do a live stream very soon. We're like 8 subscribers away now from 1,000 subscribers, so I'll have full access to the mobile live streaming, so I can do live streams right in the shop here. For right now, I think it only lets me do, as long as you're a subscriber, you can join a live stream, plus it lets like 25 extra people in, but that should be plenty for now. So I might try to do a live stream later today, but for now, this is where we're at. Hopefully this thing will be all up and running later today. If it is, maybe I'll make another one of these videos, but stay tuned for the long form videos. They're coming really soon. Later.